Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your keyboard is not working, then watch this video to make it work again. The first thing we do is restart the computer. Sometimes this works as a magic button. Click on the start button, click on power and click on restart and your keyboard should start working. If it doesn't, then we have the other fixes. So we will right click on the start button and go to settings. In settings, we will look for time and language and we will look for language and region. Now why I say this is because if your keyboard is typing the wrong is printing the wrong commands, for example if I'm typing A it prints T, then it probably means that the language is not set properly, or that the regional format is not set properly. And let me tell you why. So if language is not set properly, click on the three buttons here. If you have more than two languages, you need to move this language up. So let's, for example, I want Arabic, so I will move Arabic up and the entire thing will change to Arabic and the keyboard will start working properly. But I want English now, so I will make sure that this is on top. Second thing we need to know is whether the regional format is correct or not. So how do we know that? So look at your keyboard and look at the number 2 in the numerical keypad. In the numerical keypad, if above number 2 there's a @ button, then that keyboard is in the United States format. But if there's an apostrophe above 2, then it's in the United Kingdom format and we need to change it accordingly. Now mine is in the United States format, so I will look for United States. And then let's move on to the next thing that we can do is to look for the or to upgrade the keyboard drivers. Let's go to device manager and we will look for keyboards. Right click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. Do the same with the other human interface, that is HID keyboard device. Now if this doesn't work, then we can always right click on uninstall device, uninstall, and then once we do that, we'll just click on keyboards here, click on action and click on scan for hardware changes, and it should automatically reinstall the best driver. Now also we'll run the SFC scan. So go to command prompt, right click, run as administrator, and then enter the command sfc /scannow and press enter. Now I'll not press this here because this scan takes quite some time and I keep this video short for your convenience. Another thing you need to know is to check whether the sticky keys are in the on or off position. Right click on the desktop, go to personalize, and then we look for the sticky keys. If they are not here, then we can look for privacy and accessibility, and we will look for the sticky keys, and that should be here on keyboard. Make sure the sticky keys are off, the filter keys are off, and the toggle keys are in the off position. And the last thing we can do to make sure the keyboard works perfectly is to disable fast startup. So click on the Windows and the R button and look for, enter the command power cfg.cpl, hit the enter key, and then click on choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable, and then make sure that turn on fast startup box is unchecked. Once that is done, all these things are done, just restart the computer by clicking on the start button, the power button, and restart, and your keyboard should start working as it was before. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.